made my day. You shook my hand, you held my gaze. That's how we build these better days. Heart to heart, we meet as one. Under the sun, no one is above. Hands in the air, we rise, we rise. All rival lines turn into light. One humanity, one humanity. Respect the rival, peace in the stadium. One humanity, whoa, one humanity. Win with honor, lift the whole world up. Let the young ones see what power can be. Not the fall of you, but the strength in me. No need for hate, no need for fear. When the final whistle sounds, we still are here. One humanity, one humanity. Respect the rival, peace in the stadium. Oh, one humanity, oh, one humanity. Win with honor, lift the whole world up. One humanity, oh, one humanity. One humanity. Whoa. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. From the hills of Zion we arrive. Different flags, same beating hearts alive. On the track, on the pitch, on the court, we learn the language of respect in sport. No crown above the other on the day, just discipline and joy in how we play. When the whistle calls, we stand as one and lift each other no division in this space. Different tongues, one heartbeat, different paths, one destiny. One humanity, one humanity, one humanity, champions of Zion. We sing peace through sport, let the whole world ring. One humanity, one humanity. Rivals, but we still respect. That's the spirit we protect. One humanity, one humanity. We rise, we heal, we bring the light. One people moving toward what's right. Champions of Zion, step in the dust. Different flags, same breath, same trust. Eyes on the field, hearts on the line. We came to compete, not divide. Respect in the tackle, grace in the fall. Lift up your rival, give it your all. No shame in the loss, no pride in the pain. We learn from each other again and again. Hear the crowd rise like one You bring your fire, I bring my grace. On the same ground, we share this place. Heart to heart, we meet as one. Under the sun, no one is above. Hands in the air, we rise, we rise. Old rival lines turn into light. One humanity, one humanity. Respect the rival, peace in the stadium. One humanity, one humanity. Win with honor, lift the whole world up. I saw you bow after the play. That simple truth made my day. You shook my hand, you held my gaze. That's how we build these better days. Heart to heart, we meet as one. Under the sun, no one is above. Hands in the air, we rise, we rise. Old rival lines turn into light. One humanity, one humanity. Respect the rival, peace in the stadium. One humanity, one humanity. Win with honor, lift the whole world up. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Let the young ones see what power can be. Not the fall of you, but the strength in me. No need for hate, no need for fear. When the final whistle sounds, we still are here. One humanity, one humanity. Respect the rival, peace in the stadium. One humanity, one humanity. Win with honor, lift the whole world up. One humanity, one humanity. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. One humanity. Oh yeah. Oh, one humanity. Under one sky, we arrive. Different flags, same beats in life. Handshake firm on the line. Respect grows in the honest tribe. Boots on dust, hearts open wide. We bring our best, leave pride behind. Let the whistle call us near. Let the old fears disappear. When we move, let it be clear. Love can stand here. One humanity, one humanity. Rise in unity. One humanity. Whoa. One humanity. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, one humanity. Champions of Zion nations, moving with clean intentions. No shame in the rival's fire. We learn more when we climb higher. If you fall, I help you stand. If I lose, you still clap my hand. Let the whistle call us near. Let the old fears disappear. When we move, let it be clear. Love can stand here. can start to heal. Teach the child to honor all, win with grace and never fall into hate, into shame. We are one, though we wear different names. Oh, one humanity, one humanity. Oh yeah, rise in unity. One humanity. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Humanity. One humanity. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Hands to hands we make it free. One humanity. Whoa. One humanity. Champions of Zion, step in the dust. Different flags, same breath, same trust. Eyes on the field, hearts on the line. We came to compete, not divide. Respect in the tackle, grace in the fall. Lift up your rival, give it your all. No shame in the loss, no pride in the pain. We learn from each other again and again. Hear the crowd rise like one voice at dawn. Hands up, hearts open. Fear is gone. One human hand. One human hand. We rise together. We stand together. Oh yeah. One human hand. One human hand. Peace through sport. Forever. Forever. One human hand. From dusty courts to the wide green pitch, every brave runner, every swift kick. Children are watching the way that we move, teaching the world what people can do. Not every trophy belongs to one name. Some wins are shared in the spirit of the game. When we bow low and meet eye to eye, we build a bridge that can never die. Oh, hear the crowd rise like one voice at dawn. Hands up, hearts open. Fear is gone. One human hand. One human hand. We rise together. We stand together. Oh yeah. One human hand. One human hand. Peace through sport. Forever. Forever. One human hand. Let the old walls tremble and fall. Let mercy speak for one and all. No enemy faces, no borrowed hate. Only a future we have create. One human hand. One human hand. We rise together. We stand together. Oh yeah. One human hand. One human hand. under sun. We all stand one with open hearts and helping hands. No losing here, no bitter tears, just sweat and smiles, a common goal. Oh, victory chant, a human sound, one pulsing beat all around. The whistle blows, the crowd it roars, a friendly fight, a noble test. We push the limits, break the walls, and give our all, our very best. Oh yeah, oh yeah. From dusty fields to shining chords, a language spoken by us all. Respect for strength. From the hills of Zion we arrive, different flags, same beating hearts alive. On the track, on the pitch, on the court, we learn the language of respect in sport. No crown above the other on the day, just discipline and joy in how we play. When the whistle calls, we stand as one and lift each other like the rising sun. Side by side, we take our place, every nation, every face. When we bow, we do it clean, honor living in between. One humanity, oh, one humanity. Champions of Zion, we sing peace through sport, let the whole world ring. One humanity, one humanity. Rivals, but we still respect. That's the spirit we protect. Oh no, no, no. I saw your mother in the stands pray low. I saw your brother cheer, then let it go. Hard fought points and a handshake firm. That's how dignity is earned. We don't need a war to prove we're strong. We can build a bridge where fear was long. Let the younger ones look up and see, winning with grace is victory. Side by side, we take our place, every nation, every face. When we bow, we do it clean, honor living in between. One humanity, oh, one humanity. Champions of Zion, we sing peace through sport, let the whole world ring. One humanity, oh, one humanity. Rivals, but we still respect. That's the spirit we protect. Flags fly high, a painted sky. Different colors, different lands, but under sun we all stand one.